All right, welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to the channel. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a concept. If we apply that concept by studying that concept, you will be able to identify in which way the market is gonna go. Now, before I start the concept, I'm gonna give you my usual disclaimer that the techniques which I describe in this video are for educational purpose only. If you take any trading decision based on the techniques of this video, it is your personal liability and I'm not responsible for any profit or losses. Now, we're going to be analyzing the chart of US dollar and Swiss franc, and I'm going to be sharing with you a method which you can use to identify the direction of the market. So let me share with you the method first, and then we're going to be coming back to the chart and analyze it further. Okay. So suppose the market is in an any trend. Suppose the market is in uptrend, right? Market is making higher highs and higher lows, and after making a series of higher highs and higher lows, the market forms into a range right over here. Now, once the market enters into a range, we have to really analyze the price action of this range in order to identify in which way the market is going to go, whether it's going to go up, whether it's going to go down. Now, there are several ways in which we can identify the price action of the range and determine in which way the market is going to go. The easiest is to look for a big candle break. Now, suppose a big candle break happens downside and it breaks the support and then it continues to hold the level below the support, then we're going to be sure that the market is going to go down and the trend will reverse. It was an uptrend. Now the market is going to form a downtrend. Now, on the contrary, if the market breaks up and it holds up, then we're going to be sure that the market is going to go up and this resistance is going to become support for the market. Okay, so basically we need to look for a breakout, and that breakout should be a big candle breakout. We need to look for a big candle breakout in either side, that is up or down. Now, big candle breakouts are important because if the market is requiring a big candle to break out or break down a certain level, that means the market requires too much pressure and too much force to break that level. And generally, if a level is broken down by a big candle, that level sustains. If the market is breaking up, it will sustain the up move. If it is breaking down, it will sustain the down move because that breakout has happened with a lot of force and a lot of pressure. Now, keeping this concept in mind, let's go back to our chart and analyze what's going on in that pair. All right, so you can see right over here the US dollar and Swiss franc on a daily time frame. It was in a downtrend, and we had certain retracements over here, and over here. And then the market right over here was in a okay. So the market right over here was in a range. So we formed a range right over here, and this was our lower end of the range. And you can clearly see that okay, so you can clearly see that the market broke down with a big candle. The market broke down the support level with a big candle, but it immediately came up, indicating this as a false breakout. Now, I'm going to go over the concept of false breakout in a little bit more detail in my upcoming videos. But for this video, what you need to understand is the market created a false breakout right over here and it immediately came up. Now, after coming up, then the market again broke out right over here. And we're gonna be we cannot take a short trade right over here, because we need to make sure that this is not a false breakout either. So we need to make sure whether the market is coming back to this support and retesting it as a resistance, which it does right over here. You see this upper wick right over here, which is rejecting this level of price in the now the market has taken this support level as a resistance. So once we see that the market is holding below this level of support, and now this support has become resistance for the market, we can initiate a short trade at the opening of the next candle, which is right over here. So we're gonna go short over here, and the market is right now trading well below this level. So this thing confirms us that the market has now officially entered into a downtrend after the market has tested this level of previous support as current resistance and is holding well below that level. So that was my analysis for US dollar Swiss franc. If you like the video, if you really like the content of the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, please leave those doubts in the comment section. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.